Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anthony Tejada from Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and today I want to show you the most brand new community coming to LAkeNona. Stay tuned. I think you're going to enjoy that. So today we're standing in the Easley Grand from Pulte Homes, and this is a beautiful two-story, 5 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 bathrooms with a 3-car garage. You have the option for a large loft up above, and it is a beautiful, beautiful home. The starting base price of this house is $539,390, and it is a great home. So I'm going to give you a tour today with some, we're going to explore together. That's what I'm going to do. And so stay tuned, and here we go. So guys, we're out here, like I said, in the Isles of LAkeNona. And as you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. It is a brand new community. We're just opening up right now. And I just want to show you the exterior of the home. Excuse the construction noise. So this is the exterior of this home. It is a beautiful home. And let's just walk up to the home. So as you see here, we have a porch lanai with pavers. You have this beautiful glass door as we approach. We're coming into the home, and of course this is the model of the home, so you have lots of upgrades in this home, including the floor here, which is such a beautiful floor, and it's that wood look. Let me bring the camera up for you guys. And directly to the left of the entranceway, we have our first room, which is the office. And let me zoom out a little bit. Hold on, here we go, much better. So there we go, there's our first room, is the office. We have a closet right in that office. As we proceed, we have these 2 rooms here and the bathroom in the middle. So let's start with the room to the right. I love the big windows here. These are big windows for this home. And that's not typical. That is just nice. It lets in a lot of natural lighting. As you can see, you can fit a queen size bed here. Well, it's a full size, sorry. Full size with 2 tables on the sides. You have your closet here. They're still fixing that, so excuse that. Like I said, there's construction going on, but you can see the whole size of the home, of the room here. So, and let's proceed out. You have this bathroom here with the beautiful granite here, large mirror for your vanity. It's a dual vanity. You have the lights up top. Let me show you your tool stuff, the tool sinks. Here is your bathtub with that tile all the way up and that nice Listello. It's beautiful. We're gonna back out and we're gonna approach the next room. And here's our next room here. And as we enter, you can see how big the room is. We got a day bed and a dresser here. So that can give you some kind of reference for the size of the room. You have your closet there. Beautiful large window as well, again, for the natural lighting. Let's spin out and let's get out of this section. And across from this section of the home, where those 2 rooms are, we're gonna go, and this is your powder room. So for your guests and all that. So you see the sink, the vanity, and all your amenities there for your powder room. We're gonna proceed down the hall, and this is also a designer upgrade. This is designers, so they make the home look nice and pretty for you when you come and visit the model home. So it's not included, unfortunately, but it is. It gives you ideas of what you could do with your home. Here is the dining area and the stairway, which we're gonna get to in a little bit. And you can see how large this dining area is. It's beautiful. I love the chandelier that they picked. Very nice. And this is the best part of the home, I think, for me. is your open living room, which your TV will be here, and they haven't got to that yet, but this is your living room space going to your outdoor space with these sliding doors here, your kitchen area here, so that when your guests come over and you're making dinner, you can still talk to everyone in the home, and you can entertain, which is fantastic. I love that flow of the home where you can do all that stuff. So let's go towards the kitchen because, you know, I'm anxious and I can't wait. So here they have a coffee maker there right now, but that will be like sort of like your drop and stop, and you have your fridge, stainless steel. This will be a gas community, so it'll be gas and electric, but some of the bigger homes is gonna have gas, and that is a plus for a lot of customers or people who are coming from up north that are used to gas. It is great. Check this out, guys. Hold on. So look at this built-in for the vent. It's decorative, right? But it also is functional. So it puts all that smoke and that fishy smell outside the home when you're cooking on this beautiful gas grill. And excuse me. And here we go. We got your convection oven and your regular oven here stacked on top of each other, which is really nice. You can see all the drawers and cabinetry that go all around this kitchen, which is beautiful. Now guys, get ready. Check this pantry out. This is an amazing pantry. All right guys, so it's a double door pantry, and look how big that is. I'm just gonna go in and out so you can get some kind of idea. Very nice. Here is your breakfast nook area, right? And it's directly behind your living room area. And you know, just imagine that TV there on the wall. That would be very nice there. You have your ceiling there. Now let's take a look at this outdoor space. Bear with me, guys. I am really gonna try to open this up. 1 second. So we're back and I got the door open. I just didn't want you waiting there. But look, and obviously this is, again, for the model home, but it gives you an idea what you can do with your backyard space. It's just beautiful. I love those water fountains and that fireplace for your outdoor space. Very, very good choices here. Oh, look at this. I don't know if it's open, but you have an outdoor bathroom, I believe. Yeah, look at that. Hey guys, look at this. So you got your vanity here and your shower there. So I guess if you install a pool, you would be able to see, you'd be able to take a shower and not soil the home with water or all that other stuff. A little bit noisy. We got some generators here. Like I said, they're working on getting this perfect for you guys. They're really working really hard, so I really appreciate that from those guys. We have your outdoor grill here. Again, this is an upgrade, but look at that. Look what they did with that tile wall. Of course, that's an upgrade as well, but it's just beautiful. It just gives you great ideas for the outdoor space. There you go. So there's your fridges and all that, your maintenance cabinets there for your grill. You got your sink over there. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna go head back into the home. Sorry about the noise. And I'm gonna spin around while I close this door for you. And okay. Well, before we go into the next room, heading right in between the kitchen and the dining area, you have a mud room. So look at this mud room, guys. This is very nice. It's a nice space. Let's bring this camera up again. And this would be your laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer here, your cabinets, utility sink. Very nice. And that door right there goes to your garage, your 3-car garage. So we're gonna spin around real quick, and we are gonna head into the master bedroom. and bathroom. So coming in here, we have our master. Very nice. And you have enough room, obviously, for a sitting area here. Enough for a king size bed, 2 nightstands on each side. Love the windows, letting in all that natural light. Love the tray ceiling. These are all upgrades. Well, the tray ceiling is an upgrade that you can get. And let's just swing around and look at the view this way. And you see the entrance to your master bath right there. And let's head that way. And as we head in, you have your dual vanities here, your cabinetry on the bottom. You have your pendant lighting right there. Everyone's favorite, the large, extra large shower. So it's an extra large shower with the notch right there. Beautiful tile on the Stelo. But I just want to show you real quickly the bench that you have right here. I love that. As we go across the bathroom to the master closet, walk-in closet, and we have this pillar in the way, but we have one side here and another side here. And guys, please put in the comments which side would be the wife's and which side would be the husband's. I always like to hear that competition, especially when I'm bringing people to homes and they start saying, well, this is my side and that's your side. It's a little fun debate we always have. So here we go again with the master, and we're gonna walk out. And I think we're gonna head upstairs, guys, but before we do, we're gonna do one little more quick scan of the downstairs space. All right, and let's go head upstairs. Look at these beautiful stairs, guys, and railing. This is really nice. And when we get to the top floor here, we have our game loft area. And it is a huge loft. Extremely large. This is a very nice big loft. All right. And as we proceed through the loft, we come to the media room. So here's your media room here. And you can see how big it is by all the sofas that are in the way here. Well, not in the way, but you know, here. Beautiful large windows, sliding windows. Your entertainment media center right there. This is a big, nice space for the family. You guys can enjoy movie night here or game night. Well, game night would be in here, I would assume, but you have your own separate area, or could make this into a bedroom as well if that's what's needed. That's pretty neat. All right, guys, leaving the media room here and going back into the game room area. And look at that banister here for the stairways. That's very nice, very decorative banister. We're gonna turn to the right from the media room to another hallway that has another bedroom here, bathroom and bedroom. And let's start with the bathroom on, the bedroom on the left. All right, as you can see, this is the bedroom here. You can see how wide it is. You have that large window there for your natural lighting again. And we're gonna head down this hallway and make a left right here so we can see. Hey guys, there's me again. Your dual vanity bathtub with your towel up with the Stelo. And that is another bathroom there. And for the final bedroom, all right, camera. Final bedroom here. And you can see how big that is as we come in. Bedroom, sorry. Let's do a spin around real quickly. I love the view. Look at that view of Lake Nona. And we're gonna spin out. Very nice. And we're gonna come forward. And that is the whole home. Hey guys, so that is a tour of the first home here in Isles of Lake Nona, the most brand new community here in Lake Nona. It is a beautiful community. This is a beautiful house. And if you feel like you and your family deserve this home, give me a call, 407-790-0929. Always Anthony Tejada. And before I go, let me know if you want me to do a cinematic walkthrough like I usually do on my channel of this home. And if you do, make a comment down below and I'll make that happen. All right. Also, if you guys can hit the subscribe and alert buttons down below, I always would appreciate that. And once again, this is Anthony Tejada from, Preferred Real Estate Brokers, signing off.